Are you thinking of selling your home? You probably want to increase your home's value to get the most money out of it. To do this, many homeowners will do some renovations to increase their home's value before putting it on the market. A kitchen remodel is a great option, as the kitchen is the heart of any home. Adding modern appliances, high-end features, and an on-trend color scheme can add value to your home if done correctly. But does a kitchen remodel really add value to your home? Here's what to upgrade to get the most value for your money. If done correctly, with the right materials, features, and appliances, a kitchen remodel can definitely add value to your home and give you a return on your investment. Even though it is one of the more expensive renovations, a kitchen remodel adds the most value to your home. Home buyers are willing to pay more for modern spaces with high-end finishes and thoughtful upgrades. Before we get into the weeds, let's look at the national average ROI for a large kitchen remodel or a smaller one. For smaller, more modest kitchen upgrades, the ROI is around 80%. For larger, more high-end projects, the ROI is closer to 54%. However, these represent national averages, so your specific ROI will change based on your area and several other factors. For larger kitchen remodels, consider adding a stainless steel sink and matching appliances. Stainless steel options are more resistant against dings and dents. Plus, home buyers will love the sleek, modern look of these features. Another larger project that can help boost your ROI is installing a kitchen island. Adding a kitchen island has many practical, functional, and decorative benefits. With a variety of options in style and use, adding a kitchen island can add a whole new dimension to the room. Adding a kitchen island is not easy, but while you're remodeling is the perfect time to add one. For both larger and more modest projects, a fresh coat of paint will go a long way. Go with a classic white or a more modern light gray with new door handles and drawer pulls to finish the look. Another improvement that benefits projects of all sizes is adding modern outlets. From USB ports to wireless charging, you have many options for your switches and outlets. Take your time in deciding what a typical homeowner will find convenient and add it to your kitchen before putting it on the market. One final budget-friendly update to help your ROI is to install new lighting. Be more creative with your kitchen lighting and add recessed lights. Perfect for dark corners, this subtle option makes all the difference when lighting up your kitchen. Consider putting these lights on a dimmer so that you can adjust the lighting as needed. Plus, it is an affordable option that can be easily added to an existing kitchen without having to do a full remodel. And remember, if you have any questions or need help getting started, just give us a call or send us an email. We're always happy to help.